Okay.
So when you run the game, you will first come across this line which will print out "Welcome to the grocery store. Please enter your first item for the check. Please enter your items for checkout." And then I'll explain this part later in when we're gonna do. So it's gonna ask you for the name, and then you have to input the name that you want to buy, and then the quantity, which is how much you will buy, and then the cost for how much that item cost for each item, and then this will be the where all it displays, and then it will add all of this, the whatever you typed into the list, and then it will say, would you like to search for one of your items, yes or no? If you type yes, it will say which item are you looking for, and then and then you type in an item that you either already put in your list. So the if it's the name is if it's in the list, it will the found will be true. So it will say found item. Here are the item details. So that for the item, it will how many you want and what it costs. But if it doesn't find the item, it will say whatever the item you typed in is not in your cart. So then it will ask you, would you like to enter another item? Press C to continue or Q to quit. So if you type C, it will start the program all over again from here. So, but if you press Q, it will stop the program. And then it will go to the final code, which is right here. And then it will print out all the items that you typed in. And then for the grand total, it's going to be how much it is for the grand total. So I'm going to run it real quick to show it to you. So see, welcome to the grocery store, please. So I'm going to type in banana, and then how much, I'll buy 3 of them, and then for each of them it's going to be about $1. And then would you like to search for an item? And if I press yes, so for example, if I press apple, then it will say apple is not in your cart. Then if it asks, would you like to enter another item? If I press continue, it will do the item name all over again. So then I'll press apple, and then 5. Then for each of them is 50 cents. Then would you like to search for an item? Yes. Which item are you looking for? Apple. And then, oh, uh, let's try it again. So if I do banana, which is already in my cart, so I'll try, I'll try each. $1. And then if I want to search for an item, if I press yes, I'll do which item are you looking for, which will be banana. If I try, it'll say found item. Here are the item for details. And then if I press quit, it will show all the things that I bought in the grand total for it.
Great job, Benjamin. Thank you.
You're welcome.